Hello folks, this is Karl-James Outford of Archaeology Cymru. Just a bit of an update. I haven't done one of these for a while. It's the 26th of June 2017. We had a wonderful trip yesterday. There were 16 of us and we went to karl-james, and I took everybody around a look of the remains at karl-james. Lots of positives to say about that. It was a great excursion. Chris, the driver, kept everybody safe as usual. I did my job in giving as much information as I could, and yeah, we spent about a good 5 hours at karl-james, and given that we were meant to be going to Caldicot and a location along the coast at Goldcliff in Gwent. We didn't actually get to them because I think everybody was absolutely knackered by the end of it. Another excursion coming up on the 5th of August. That really depends on numbers. It's meant to be an excursion down west, but we'll see what the numbers are like. Need at least 10 people to do that, to hire the minibus and so on. I haven't got anywhere near that numbers indicated, so watch this space. Obviously the trip to North Wales in October is still going ahead, and everything's booked and so on. We've got another day school coming up in September, the 16th of September, and that's going to be looking at the true history of our land, otherwise known as Wales today, and looking at the mistruths, exploring the early death of Owen Glyndŵr in 1405, which will be something that I'll be exploring a great deal in the day school on the 16th of September. That's a Saturday, so if anyone's interested, they'll be very welcome. What else is going on? Well, we've got our regular classes that we're doing every Tuesday via Skype at 7:15, so people can join that anywhere in the world. It's £5. You pay via PayPal. Contact me, Archaeology Cymru, and lots of these details are on Facebook. This week we're going to be looking at Roman aqueducts. We're looking at buildings at this minute. So far we've looked at lime kilns. Image at the end of this slide, at this YouTube video. We've been looking at pottery kilns. So we're looking at structures at this minute of different periods. And those classes are taught on a Thursday at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock respectively in Lantern Mage and Bridgend. Friday evening we look at myths and legends throughout the local area. We've got Roos this week, Friday, and we've got following week we've got Cowbridge. Not as much going on as usual because I'm completing a dissertation. It's a very complicated dissertation it's turning out to be, but my university wants me to get through it and do it, so that's what I'm doing. And there's lots of other things happening. We've got our Wednesday afternoon walks at 2 o'clock, my usual gang, Selly Church. We've been visiting lots of localities. We've got the newsletter. Rona's getting on with the young explorers, and we were meant to be doing lots of stall events this year, but really can't fit it in, can't do everything. And archaeology itself, with our involvement, is very much based upon what we're able to do at this minute, and funding short. And one of the things that we're doing at this minute is asking people to pay £1 when they join our Facebook site, simply because we're getting people who have got fake profiles joining, and if people disagree with £1, then, to be frank, it obviously proves that they're not real. Everybody can afford £1 on PayPal. It's not the cost of 2 pints of milk really these days. So that's that really. Our websites are going well, and and it's always good to have input and assistance from everybody. But that's one thing that we're lacking at this minute. We're really struggling to get everything done. Thanks to Michelle's support as well, and hopefully we can update you more. Lots of videos are going online about the classes that I've been teaching. So anything you want to ask, please do so, and thank you very much for watching and listening to me.